Alright, here are my test corrections on this guy. It's because the density won't change no matter what size you make the item, because we're not changing the material. Um, yeah, we talked about this guy. It's because I didn't square the R's. Otherwise, I would have had it really closely. Here is this guy for question 7. There's our question 8 with the string and the beach ball tied underwater. On this guy, I converted my meters wrong on the bottom half, so my answer was 1,000 times too large. Oops. And then on this guy, I didn't convert the days into seconds. So the biggest difference here was that instead of having 25 here, I have 5 times 86,000 squared.